I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, that our whole closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling.
Hi guys, welcome back. I am Nisha, and in this video I have created this colorful eye look for you all. Guys, it's springtime and hence I thought of coming up with some bright and vibrant eye look. So I created this beautiful mermaid color eye look. It's a shimmery greenish purple cut crease look that I have created using one of my most favorite palette, which is the new Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. It's an amazing palette to work with and I really love the palette. For more details about the palette, the swatches and shades, please check my Instagram IGTV. I have mentioned the link to my Instagram in the description box below. I have also listed down all the products which I have used for this look in the description box along with their links, so do check it out. So before we enter into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page where I keep on posting various interesting stuffs. You will find the links in the description box below. And now without further ado, let's start up with the video. The contact lenses which I am using for this look are from Fresh Look in the shade Sterling Grey. So I've already prepped and moisturized my skin, and for primer I am using the Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional primer. I'll be applying it on my cheeks, on my forehead and on my nose to quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines on my face and to get a smooth base for my foundation. Next I'm taking the M.A.C taupe cream, and with the help of my fingertips I'll apply it all over my face, and I'm going to blend it all with my PAC 353 foundation brush. I apply it right before my foundation to just get a natural glow. Now I'm taking my M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid Foundation SPF 15 in the shade NC 15, and I'm going to apply a very thin layer of it all over my face using the same PAC 353 foundation brush. In this video, I'm also going to show you how to create a full coverage look using a M.A.C foundation. So now I'll take a beauty blender and I'll blend out the first layer very nicely, and I'll get the sheer to medium coverage. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Peach Corrector to correct out my dark circles. And after blending it all out, I'll move on to my M.A.C Studio Finish SPF 35 concealer, and with the help of my PAC 317 concealer brush, I'm going to hide out all the blemishes, imperfections and discolorations on my skin. And now it's time for the second layer of the foundation, which I'll be directly applying with my beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend it out again with the same. So you see, after applying the second layer of the foundation, how I got full coverage from the M.A.C foundation. And now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to slightly brighten up my under eyes. And now to bake my under eyes, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Lace Luxury Baking Powder. And to set rest of my face, I'm using the M.A.C Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. For filling my eyebrows today, I'll be using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 4.5. I'm slowly going to fill up the sparse area of my eyebrows and get the desired shape for my eyebrows from this pencil. And now I'll be going off camera to complete the second eyebrow. Now I'm going to take some concealer on a flat brush and I'm going to apply it on the edges of my eyebrow to get the sharp and perfect shape for my eyebrows. And here's the beautiful palette which I'm going to use today to create my eye look. So this is the holographic lovely outer cover of the palette, and here are the amazing 18 shades of the palette. This palette features a cosmic blend of 18 shades and textures, and it has both cool and warm tones, and we can create many beautiful wonderful looks using this palette. So now let's move on to the eye look. So now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids, and this is going to be the base for my eye makeup. Now I'm going to set the concealer with the loose powder. So first I'm going to take my PAC 204 brush and I'm going to pick up the shade called Libra from the palette, and I'm going to apply it just above my crease. Using the same brush, I'll pick up the shade called Off Balance from the palette and I'll apply it on my crease as well as slightly above it. Now I'm going to take the shade called Hotness from the palette, and using my Pro Arte AE25 brush, I'll apply it on the corners of my eyes and on the crease line. Now again I'm going to pick up the shade Libra and I'm going to soften out my crease and I'm going to blend it very nicely. Next I'm picking up the shade Ultraviolet on my PAC 345 brush and I'm going to apply it on the outer V of my eye, and I'm going to drag it till the center of my lid. I'm going to simultaneously repeat this step till I get the desired intensity of the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take concealer on a flat brush and I'm going to cut my crease from the inner corner to the center of my eyelids. Now I'm going to take the shade Haze and I'm going to apply it from the inner V till the center of my eyelid. The brush that I'm using here is my Pro Arte PE19 brush. Now I'm going to blend out both the eyeshadows so that we don't see any harsh lines left out there. Next I'm taking the shade Super Moon from the palette and I'm applying it all over the shade Haze with a sponge applicator, and I'm doing this because Haze was a matte finish eyeshadow and I wanted to give it a bit shimmery finish. Next I'm picking up my most favorite shade from the palette, which is the Nebula, and I'm going to use this shade to merge out both the eyeshadows, and I'm applying it with the help of my PAC 092 brush. Next I'm going to take the shade called Cosmic from the palette on my PAC 202 brush and I'm going to apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. To tightline my lower lash line, I'm going to use the M.A.C Technicolor liner in the shade Graph Black. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Pencil in the shade Silken Turquoise to smudge out the black liner. Next I'm going to pick up the shade Mercury on my pencil brush and I'm going to apply it from the outer corner to the center of my lower lash line. Now again I'm going to pick up the shade Cosmic and I'm going to apply it in the inner lower lash line. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to take my Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Next I'm taking my Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara and I'm going to apply it on my lower lashes. So now done with my eye look, and now I'll be moving to my face again. Now again I'm going to take my M.A.C Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation and I'm going to apply it under my eyes to brighten them out. Now with the help of my large powder brush, I'm going to slightly buff out the powder foundation all over my face. Now for contouring my face, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer, and the brush that I'm using here is the PAC 368 Contouring Brush. To contour my nose, I'm using the concealer brush from Nykaa, and to blend that out, I'm using the Pro Arte PF14 brush. Now I'm going to clean up the contour using the same Makeup Revolution Lace Baking Powder, and the brush that I'm using here is my PAC 245 brush. For blush, I'm using my M.A.C Satin Powder Blush in the shade Pink Swoon. Then for highlighter, I'm using my all-time favorite M.A.C Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with the same highlighter. Now moving to the lips, I'm going to line my lips using the Swiss Beauty lip liner. For lipstick, I'm using the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Spring Break. I'm trying this Huda lipstick for the first time and I really loved it. It is so pigmented and so comfortable on the lips. I really loved it. Now to give a bit glossy look to my lips, I'm going to use the M.A.C lip gloss in the shade Nymphity. And finally, I'm going to set my face with the M.A.C Fix Plus. And now I'll be back in a while after applying my lashes. So So finally I'm done with my hair, jewelry and lashes, and that's the complete look, you guys. I hope you liked the makeup and the eye look and did enjoy the video, and if you did, then please do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I would really like to thank Huda Beauty for such amazing palette. I really loved working with this palette. It's an amazing palette to work with. I had fun playing with this palette, and if you have any queries regarding this look, you may ask me in the comment section below, and if you want me to create any look of your choice from this palette or maybe some other look, then you are free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll definitely try to put it up. So that's all for this video. See you soon with a new one. Till then, take care. Bye.